Well, really not a video I wanted to do. Go in your light blue, click My HR, then look for a section where it says About Human Resources, Employee Development Forms Tools, and you look for Forms Library. And then up here, just punch in 1188 and search. Go down here, and as you can see, it says cancellation of dues. This is the form, and you can download the form yourself. You fill it out, print it up, and pretty much the rest is history. Make sure it's done correctly. You have a certain window of your annual date that you need to send this in. If it were me, and it was at one time, I made sure to send 3 copies, certified mail. I did one every 2 days. That way I knew I didn't miss it, just in case there was a delayed truck. And if that's what you wanted to do, then do it. And the addresses are all down at the bottom. So it covers everything. Mail Handlers Union, APWU, rural carriers, NALC, everything is there. All right. But I don't personally suggest it, but if you need to do, if you were to do it on your laptop at home, you go in your light blue, you go to My HR, and across the top, you will see where it says Forms, and then you just punch in the form you want. Form number is right there. And that's it. That's it. That's it.